What's going on, guys? Welcome to my channel. My ultimate build has finally came true. Check it out. Check it out. We got the new FSR Aspen light tent. This is the first night camping in it, so I'm not going to give a full review on this tent yet because I just installed it. But let's get it down. And the sun is going down. It is a beautiful sunset. We're not in the snow right now, but it'll have to do. Let me put the tent up and I'll show you guys the whole deal on this new FSR Aspen light tent. Let me know in the comments what you guys think. I did something in my settings where I walk away and the truck always locks, and it's really annoying. But other than that, let's get to it. So we're gonna put that down for now. Take my shoes off here. My shoes off. So this tent comes with a cover, but they say you don't have to run the cover on there. But I just do because I don't want no bird shit on my tent, you know what I mean? So, yeah, like I said, you don't need to run the cover, but I just do because why not, you know? It helps it from sun fade from Arizona, you know? Even though it is winter in Arizona, you know, I'm still gonna run it just in case. Bada bing, bada boom. This thing goes up high, let me tell you. Wow, guys, look how beautiful that looks. So this is what it looks like up top right now. It looks freaking insane. Yeah, I'll probably end up taking that cover off. I don't know what I did there, but that's the cover that comes with it. But like I said, you don't need to run the cover. They tell you it's just there just in case. But this is what she looks like right now. Let me get the lights on and everything, and I'll show you guys a full deal. They also, I'm pretty sure they include their air core mattress with every single tent, which is really nice. Even hopping up in there, the mattress is really comfortable even without the air core. So let me get the air core going, get the lights going, and I'll show you guys the full thing. Hopefully I can do it before the sun goes down. It's just about to go down all the way. So let me get everything set up here. All right, guys, here on my new iPhone 16 Pro. We got the tent all set up right here. So this is it fully up, and it kind of looks crazy. That thing goes up high. Look at that thing. It looks crazy. So let me show you guys the inside right now. We got a crazy sunset. All right, the one thing I'm not a big fan of is this ladder. It kind of hurts. You know, it's not angled, it's kind of straight on, which kind of hurts, but boom. Check out that inside right here. We got the pillow. We'll hop in. Oh yeah, we got that sunset going on right there. Sunset, we got our built-in LEDs. Then we have the little thingy for your iPad right there. So if you want to put your iPad, you can. But yeah, I'm 6'3", and we're out there. We still got a little bit of foot room. We're not all jammed up. So there's Finn's little bed. He's gonna be camping with me tonight. Kate's not here today, so she doesn't get to see that beautiful sunset. But yeah, let me, I'm gonna drink couple beers with my buddy, and guys, I'll give you a little rundown when I go to bed and show you guys what's going on. Make sure to stay to the end of this video because there's some crazy off-roading trails around here, and we're gonna hit those fuckers tomorrow. So stay tuned, keep watching, and I'll give you a little more of a review of this pretty sweet tent. Pretty cool. And perfect. All right, everybody. Good morning. We woke up, had a couple cups of coffee over here. Jake made some cool coffee with like pour over and cool bean grinder and some pretty good shit right here. But sorry if you hear all the gunshots. They're freaking shooting bright and early again. this morning. So let me talk about the tent. So the tent, we slept freaking great. I haven't slept that good camping in a long time. Me and Finn had a lot of room in that AirCore mattress. Oh my God, let me show you real quick. Come up here. Ow, I was on my ankle. Ooh. So this is the AirCore mattress right here. So you can fill it up. It's got your self-inflating little dial there, or you can inflate it with a pump, which is what I did, but we opened it up to kind of close it up this morning. But me and Finn slept really good over here. And let me show you how. It's only 100 pounds, which is pretty cool. All right, so normally like rooftop tents, like the bottom is like a full like aluminum base or steel base, whatever. But this one is just like kind of like on slats, and then they have this big thick foam mattress that lays on top. And I kneeled down in it without the AirCore and everything, and I was not feeling any of these bars right here. So, you know, it's definitely worth it. This tent is only 100 pounds. I threw it up there myself, and it, you know, we struggled a little bit because it's pretty tall, but it all worked out. We're gonna finish packing up and then go hit the trails. So we're gonna have a fun time. All right, everybody, that's about it for this week's video. I hope you liked the nice review on the FSR Free Spirit Recreation Aspen Light Tent. I finally have my dream setup, something I've been looking forward to for a long time. We finally just bit the bullet on this one, so I'm stoked on it. Truck performed pretty good with all the trails we did today. They're pretty fun, nothing too crazy, but some fun little off-road spots out here. So if you guys have any comments, questions, or concerns, let me know down in the comments about the tent and whatnot. My setup, my new setup, let me know in the comments. But until next time, guys, I appreciate you so much. Peace out. Bye. There you go.